I'm gonna show you how I create my pivot tables. First, you wanna go to Insert, then you're gonna go to Pivot Table, and you see it selected the range. And if all of it's not in your range, you can also highlight it and put it there. And I'm gonna put it in a new worksheet. So now I'm gonna pick the rows that I want. I'm gonna do first name and last name. And then I'm gonna put the value I want to go into the extended cells. Okay, as you see how it looked, that don't look nice. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do. You click on first name, go to field settings. Under field settings, subtotals, put none. Then go to layout and print and click show items labeled in tabular form. And you hit OK. And I'm also do this with my other row, my last name. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go to settings and hit none, then go to layout and print. And as you see, it looks better. And then what I wanna do now is go to my sum. I wanna go to value settings. And you can put that on whatever you want. You want your counts, average, but I'm doing a sum. And I'm gonna go to format, number format, currency. And this is what I want it to look like. Hit OK. And that's how you create pivot tables. And it's pretty easy to do, and it'll help you a lot on other things, especially in your business or at your job. And you can double click on one of these numbers and it gives you all the details of where you get that total from. And you can go and rename these sheets as you want. I name mine's information sheet, and I usually name this pivot table sheet. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.